At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a cell phone repair business can be a lucrative venture, given the widespread use of smartphones and the constant demand for repair services. Here are 10 tips to help you get started. 1. Gain technical skills and knowledge. Ensure you have a strong foundation in cell phone repair. This includes understanding common issues, hardware components, and software troubleshooting. Consider taking courses or certifications to enhance your skills. 2. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for cell phone repair services in your area. Identify competitors, target customers, and potential partnerships. 3. Create a business plan. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your business goals, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. A well-thought-out plan can guide your business decisions and attract potential investors. 4. Legal considerations. Register your business and comply with local regulations and licensing requirements. Obtain any necessary permits and consider liability insurance to protect your business. 5. Location and setup. Choose a strategic location for your repair shop. It should be easily accessible, have sufficient space for repair work, and be in an area with potential customer traffic. Set up a clean and organized workspace with the necessary tools and equipment. 6. Build an online presence. Create a professional website and establish a presence on social media platforms. Use these channels to showcase your services, share customer testimonials, and provide contact information. Consider online advertising to reach a broader audience. 7. Offer quality service and warranties. Focus on providing excellent customer service and high-quality repairs. Offering warranties on your repairs can instill confidence in customers and differentiate your business from competitors. 8. Networking and partnerships. Build relationships with local businesses, such as electronics retailers or phone carriers, to explore potential partnerships or referrals. Attend local events, join business associations, and network with other entrepreneurs in your community. 9. Effective marketing strategies. Develop marketing strategies to promote your services. Utilize both online and offline channels, including social media, local advertising, and community outreach. Consider offering promotions or discounts to attract initial customers. 10. Stay updated on technology trends. The technology in smartphones evolves rapidly. Stay informed about the latest trends, models, and repair techniques. Continuously invest in training and equipment to stay competitive and offer a wide range of repair services. Remember that the success of your cell phone repair business will depend on both technical expertise and effective business management. Adapt to industry changes, listen to customer feedback, and consistently provide reliable service to build a strong reputation in the market. That concludes the video. Now it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content.